Today in atomic structure unit we discuss about the quantum numbers. It is very important topic, quantum numbers. Quantum number are the sets of four identification number. These are the sets of four identification number which gives complete information. They gives the complete information about various electrons present in atom are known as quantum numbers. What is the information? It gives the information of electron in an atom. It gives the information of electron in an atom about their location, energy, shape or orientation, and spin of electrons. So quantum number are the four number which gives the information of electron about their location, their energy, shape or orientation, and spin of electrons. So with the help of quantum number we can find out the complete address. We can find out the complete address of an electron. We will find out the complete address of electron in atom with the help of quantum numbers. So we having four information: location, energy, shape and spin. That's why quantum number we divide into four types. See one by one. First one is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number. Principal quantum numbers gives the information. Gives information about the orbits in which the electron can revolve. It gives the information about the orbits or shells in which electron can revolve. Secondly, also express the average distance between electron and outermost shell electron. They also express the average distance between the electron and the outermost shell electron. That's why they give the atomic size. Information about the atomic size, that is size of atom. So this is the principal quantum number. After this they are denoted by, expressed by n. We denoted by n, and the value of n is any whole number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this number is also designed using the alphabet K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So they are denoted by n, and value of n is any whole number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also designed as these number K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and maximum number of electrons in an orbit. Maximum number of electron in n orbits will be 2n square, where n is the principal quantum number and the number of shell. N is the number of shells. Now see, it is the atomic structure. In center there is nucleus which contain proton and neutron. Around the nucleus, electron can revolve. So these are also called orbits or shells, denoted by n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, k, l, m, n, and they contain the maximum electron 2n square. So we know that first electron orbit having 2 electron, 8, 18, 32, and also express the average distance between nucleus to the outermost shell electrons. So if the value of n increases, the atomic size increases and the distance between nucleus to the outermost shell electron also increases. So first is the principal quantum number, gives information about the orbits or the shells, and these orbit or shells is also called energy label. They are also known as energy label. Now second one. Second is azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number, also called angular quantum number, also known as angular quantum number. This quantum number gives the information about subshells or orbitals. About subshell or orbitals. Now second quantum number is azimuthal quantum number. First gives the information about the subshell or the orbitals. It is denoted by L, and maximum value of L is 0, 1, 2 and 3. The maximum value of L will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and value of L depends upon the value of N, using the formula N minus 1. N value, principal quantum number value is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and value of L will be only 4 values, 0, 1, 2, 3, and value of L will depends upon the value of N, and we can find out using the formula N minus 1. Now see how can it depends the value of N. Value of N. With the help of N value we will find out the shell. Secondly, value of L. Find it using formula N minus 1, and it gives the information about the subshells, also we called orbitals. Right? N values any whole number 1, 2, 3, 4. Shell will be K, L, M, N. And value of L. If N is equal to 1, so L is the 1 minus 1, it will be 0. And first orbital is the S orbital. Second value is 2, so 2, that is 0 and 1. 0 for S orbital, second orbital is P. Third is 3, using N minus 1, so 0, 1, 2, S, P, and third orbital is D, and fourth is 0, 1, 2, 3, S, P, D, and F. Fourth orbital is F. So that means if L is equal to 0, our orbital is S. If L is equal to 1, orbital is P. If L is equal to 2, orbital is D. If L is equal to 3, it will be 4. So it is the main conclusion of azimuthal quantum number. It gives the information about the orbital s, p, d, f. If L is equal to 0, orbital is s, 1 for p, 2 for d and 3 for f. So second quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, gives the information about the orbitals. After this, we can find out the how many types of orbitals. In previous lecture, we see the types of orbital. Now next quantum number prove that how many types of orbitals. This is the magnetic quantum number. Third one is the magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number express the orientation of electron in magnetic field. We express the orientation of electron in magnetic field. Indirectly here we prove the types of orbitals. It is denoted by M. Denoted by M. And value of M depends upon azimuthal quantum number, and maximum value of M varies minus L to 0 to plus L. Indirectly minus L, 0 and plus L. Varies minus L, 0 and plus L. See, value of L. Then we find value of M. And third, here is the types of orbitals. We will find out the types of orbitals. Types of orbitals. Value of L, we know that 0, 1, 2, 3. And M value minus L, 0 and plus L. It means the value of L we express in minus as well as in plus. So if L is equal to 0, M also 0. L is equal to 1. So M having 3 value, minus 1, 0, plus 1. We express in minus as well as in plus. If L is equal to 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Similarly 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. Means the value of L we express in minus as well as in plus. Now here is the types of orbital. We know that s orbital having single types. Why? Because for s orbital M value is only 0, that is 1. So which orbital? S orbital. If L is equal to 1, the M value is 3, minus 1, 0 and plus 1. If value of L is 1, our orbital is P. And we know that P orbital is 3 types. 1, 2, 3, Px, Py, Pz. D orbital we classified into 5 types because for D orbital M value is 5. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2, that is minus 2 to plus 2. And F orbital, fourth is the F orbital, we divided into 7 types because for F orbital the value of M is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's why we classified the orbital. S orbital having single types because for S orbital the value of M is only 1, that is 0. For P orbital the value of M is 3, minus 1, 0, plus 1. That's why P orbital having 3 types, Px, Py, Pz. And M, D, it is 5 values. So D orbital having 5 types. And F orbital we classify into 7 types because there is the 7 values for M. So third is the magnetic quantum number, which gives the orientation of electron in magnetic field. After this, fourth is the spin quantum number. Fourth one is the spin quantum number. Clear from name, it gives the information about the spin of electron. Fourth one is spin quantum number. It gives the information about spin of electrons, spins of electrons in an atom, denoted by S, and value of S equals to plus minus 1 by 2. The value of S having 2 plus minus 1 by 2. We know that electron having 2 spin. First is clockwise spin. If your electron having clockwise spin this type, so S value is plus 1 by 2. And for anti-clockwise, electron having anti-clockwise spin this way, so having value minus 1 by 2. So spin quantum numbers are the 4 quantum number which gives the information about spin of electrons, denoted by S, and maximum value is plus minus 1 by 2. If electron having clockwise spin, so S is equal to plus 1 by 2. Anti-clockwise having minus 1 by 2. So these are the 4 quantum numbers which gives the complete information of electron in an atom. Shortly, we again see 4th quantum numbers. These are the 4 sets of quantum numbers. First is principal quantum number, denoted by L. Second is azimuthal quantum number. Third, magnetic quantum number. And fourth is the spin quantum number. Principal quantum number gives information about the shells or orbits. Azimuthal quantum number gives the information about subshells or orbitals. Magnetic quantum number gives the orientation of electron. Orientation of electron in magnetic field. And spin quantum number gives the information about spin of electron. Then the value of n is having any whole number 1, 2, 3, 4 expressed by k, l, m, and l value having 4 value 0, 1, 2, 3. Using the formula n minus 1 we calculated. If L is equal to 0, orbital is S. 1 p orbital, 2 for d orbital, 3 for f orbital. And the value of m equals to minus L, 0 and plus L. The value arises from minus L, 0 and plus L. And spin quantum numbers having the value plus minus 1 by 2. If electron having clockwise spin, so S is equal to plus 1 by 2. Electron having anti-clockwise spin, so S is equal to minus 1 by 2. So these are the 4 quantum number values.